Cloud computing is an efficient, flexible and cost-effective way for an organization to transform its business. But the journey to cloud is a transition as much IT challenge as opportunity. VMware is the global leader in virtualization and cloud infrastructure. Rob Jenkins, their Director of Accelerate Advisory Services, believes the best CIOs are tackling that IT challenge by adding value across the business.
He's changing the balance from providing a service he has to having more budget for innovation and adding value to the business. You know, classically you have the three elements of people and process and technology to develop, and you know, hardly ever is technology the bottleneck. So for all customers, and particularly a CIO of a large enterprise, he's really managing a transformation, and that transformation is accelerating at the moment as you know, technology provides him with new options, but also the business has easy access to those options. So IT has become consumerized, if you like. So CIO is a business partner. He needs to understand what it is that organization is trying to achieve as a business. You know, then relate that to a deployment of technology, and invariably that involves using a cloud service as appropriate. Then, you know, that will require some investment because there's a transformation to be done of the people, of the processes that support them, and you know, a part of that will require some investment in technology.
Well, it's interesting because you talked about IT consumerization. What I think is that the drag and drop, the plug in and play, the GUI end of IT has been consumer, and brilliantly so. I now know how to do stuff for sure, but I don't know what everything is capable of.
You know, when I say IT is becoming consumerized, I mean your typical IT user expects the corporate system to work in a way that's similar to their smart device or their tablet. You know, they'd like to self-provision applications from a catalogue. They'd like to access those applications and their data in a user-specific but very device-independent way. So, you know, take myself as an example. I have access to dozens of software as a service applications. I need to approve expenses in different ways, approve headcount, I need to do reporting, I need to check email, I need to, you know, there's all sorts of different things that I do, but I need to be able to do them in a taxi, on my phone, or on my laptop, or in the office, or and so it's that interface into a very simple system that manages my data and my persona and my security in a secure cloud system that really drives value to me as a user. You know, so we've developed this strategy that enables customers to leverage from the existing infrastructure that they have, you know, and of course a large enterprise can't just transform overnight from the hundreds of millions of dollars of investment that it has in an infrastructure. So we try and provide a way for customers to use that, but to extend into a cloud ecosystem as is appropriate, as is required.